welcome back to my channel. For today's video we have my Feel Unique pick and mix unboxing. How this video works is I will first of all go over the samples that I chose last month and give you my thoughts and opinions on them. I will then show you the 5 samples that I've chosen for this month. For those of you who aren't aware, this is a service offered by the website Feel Unique and is a sample service. They do have a couple of different sample services available on their website. This one is the pick and mix samples, which is £3.95, and for that you can pick 5 different samples from an array of different samples on their website, be it hair care, skincare, makeup and perfume. They also have the beauty kit, which is £12.95 plus £3.95 shipping. So the £3.95 shipping cost in both cases is refunded back to you in the form of a gift voucher, which can be used to be spent on anything on their website. The samples available in the beauty kit, which is the one that is £12.95, are more travel size minis or luxury size samples, whereas the ones in the pick and mix service are more sachets and smaller samples. But like I say, the £3.95 that you pay for the pick and mix samples, you do get refunded back to you in the form of a gift voucher, which is sent to you by email when you get confirmation of dispatch of your samples. This is a service I've been using for a good while now, and I do still enjoy receiving these samples every month. I do feel the quality of samples available on the pick and mix has decreased slightly because of this new beauty kit that is available, but I do feel like this month I was spoiled for choice because they did have a lot of new samples on there that I haven't seen before, so it did take me a little while to whittle it down to 5. I'm hoping the samples that I decided not to choose are still available next month so I can give them a go then. But it was nice for them to have a good refresh on the samples because I did feel like I was seeing the same ones over and over. So why don't I first of all go over what I tried from last month, and then I will show you the new ones that I've picked this month. So out of the 5 samples from last month, there is only one that I didn't try, and that was the conditioner from Paul Mitchell. I completely forgot that I had this one, so just did not get around to trying it, so obviously can't give you my thoughts on this one. Another hair care product I tried was this duo of shampoo and conditioner from Moroccan Oil. These are the Moisture Repair shampoo and conditioner. I do normally find when I pick these shampoo and conditioner samples that there's never quite enough shampoo for me to fully test it. This one was 10ml of sample, which most ones that you get are, to be honest, but I found with this one you didn't need too much product. It didn't have the most amount of lather, and I feel like even if it were to have more product there still wouldn't be more lather, so I think it's just one of those shampoos. But once I used this shampoo and conditioner together, my hair felt so soft. I do usually use either a Moroccan Oil spray or the oil treatment in my hair every time I wash it anyway, but to have it in combination with the shampoo and conditioner, my hair was just probably the softest it's ever been. I did, when using this, not use the oil treatment. I did just use the spray because I do kind of use it as a heat protectant, so I didn't want to have too much Moroccan Oil so I wouldn't be able to tell if these worked for me. But even just using the spray, I could tell how much softer my hair was. If anything, it was maybe a little bit too soft, because I did find that when I straightened my hair it just wouldn't hold the straighten, so I don't think it was heavy enough to kind of hold the straighten. I mean, I've noticed in the past few months that my hair doesn't hold the straightness as much as it used to, but using this shampoo just made it sort of curl up even quicker. But I did love how soft it felt. So I think if I ever were to repurchase this shampoo, I would definitely use it at times when I'm not straightening my hair and I'm not too bothered about it being extra soft. As for the conditioner, because I only go in and condition the bottom half of my hair, I did get 3 if not 4 uses out of this sachet, and I did really enjoy it. Even just using this conditioner with my normal shampoo, I could tell a difference. My hair was that much softer. This is a product that is definitely on my radar to repurchase again. I did feel like I was running low on conditioner, but when I check my backup drawer I do actually have 2 full bottles of other conditioners, so I want to use them first because I've clearly had them for a while. But when it comes to repurchasing a conditioner, I might be quite tempted to treat myself to the one from Moroccan Oil. Next, I tried this product from Ho Karan, and this was the Cannabooster Reboost Serum. This was a nice serum. I didn't kind of notice anything spectacular from it. I did manage to get about 2.5 uses out of this sachet. It did have quite a nice scent to it, but it was quite strong. Once it was rubbed into my face, I couldn't really smell it anymore, but it did kind of smell a bit like men's aftershave. So it was a nice scent, but not one that I really like to apply to my face. And say, as for the product itself, I didn't really notice it did anything, but for 2.5 uses, I wasn't expecting to notice anything. So definitely not a product I will be rushing out to purchase, but it was nice to try it. And then the final samples I picked up were these foundations from YSL. This is the Touche Le Tint Awakening Foundation. So I did get this in 2 different shades. I got B10 and BR20. Both are quite good shade matches for me, but they're not quite 100%. I feel like my shade match is somewhere down the middle. So I don't know if it would be BR10. I can't remember what the B and the R stood for, but I think that might be the right shade. So this is one I would look to see if they did have a sample of the BR10 as part of these pick and mix samples, and then perhaps when it comes to next month, if I need a kind of 5th sample, I could throw another one in. But it is a really nice foundation, and one I would possibly liken to the recent one from Colourpop. I think it's the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Foundation, and that is one I tried around the same time as trying these, and I would say it did give me a similar finish. They're both a nice lightweight natural looking foundation. The liquid itself isn't thick but not watery, it's kind of somewhere in the middle, and I would say they are very similar. So if it came down to purchasing this or the Colourpop one, I'm always going to go for the Colourpop one because it is a fraction of the price. I think it's around the $10 mark, whereas I think full price this one's about 20 something pounds. So it was really nice, and I am glad I got to try it. I do kind of prefer the one from Colourpop over it ever so slightly, and obviously that's more affordable, but nice to try nonetheless. They are the 5 samples that I tried last month. Now I will just show you the samples that I've chosen this month, and as I go through I will give you the value of what I work out each of the samples to be. So the first one I picked was from the brand Q&A. This is the Peptide Facial Serum. This is a brand that I hadn't really heard of before until I received an item from them in the Holland & Barrett advent calendar that I got. So they believe to be a natural beauty brand, and I've been really into serums and moisturisers recently that do have peptides in them, so I thought I would give it a go. So on the back it does have a Q&A skincare checklist, which I think is really good. So it says how does it help, and then it has the boxes ticked for anti-age, calming, collagen boosting, skin firmness and hydration, which sound perfect. And then it says for skin types: oily, stressed, dry, normal and combination. The only one that's not ticked for skin types is sensitive. Let me see if I can show you that actually. So I quite like that that's included at the top. So this one says peptides are a chain of amino acids that are the building blocks of protein in the skin. Peptides are essential anti-aging active ingredients, daily to clean skin prior to moisturising. So I'm really excited to give this one a go. It is a quite reasonably priced brand, and like I say, I know they are available at Holland & Barrett. I do have quite a few discount codes and things that I received in that advent calendar. I don't know if I received one for Q&A or not, but I will no doubt be making a Holland & Barrett purchase in the next couple of months. So if I can give this a go and enjoy it, it might be something to add to my basket. So value wise for this one, the full size is 30ml for £9. This is a 2ml sample, so I work out that this is worth 60p. The next product I picked was from the brand Colorstar, and this is the Anti-Water Taliso Scrub. It has exfoliating salts and cane sugar with spices and essential oils. I did try a product from Colorstar not that long ago and I wasn't a massive fan, but when I looked a bit further into this one, this did have quite good reviews and I was really intrigued by it. I have only recently been getting more into kind of exfoliating things after using the Sol de Janeiro Bod Buff, so I thought I would give this one a go. So this one says it ensures 5 important effects: exfoliating and moisturising, fluid reducing and draining, slimming and energising. So it says massage onto damp skin for a delicate scrub or dry skin for a greater exfoliating effect, and then rinse off. So it is an in-shower exfoliator, as the picture of the naked lady in the shower would suggest. Really intrigued as to what it's like. I'm also really intrigued to how it's going to smell because it's got cinnamon, cumin, salt and things like that in, so I thought this would be quite interesting to give a go and definitely something different from what I've received as of late. So value wise for this one, the full size is 700 grams, which is £46.50. This is a 40g sachet, which I work out is worth £2.66. Next, I picked a couple of products from Dermalogica. The first one is this multivitamin power serum, and this one says it microencapsulated vitamin complex helps retexturize and revitalize skin. Vitamins A, C and E melt into skin to help decrease the appearance of fine lines and hyperpigmentation. Smooth over cleansed face and neck morning and night after toning and before moisturising. So this is only 1ml of product. It literally is not even a full sachet. So I think I'm going to be lucky to get one use out of this. But the problem I found with Dermalogica products on the pick and mix samples is they don't tend to say how big of a product they are. It's only when they arrive that you can kind of see how big they are. This one doesn't even say on here. It just says on my confirmation email that this is 1ml of product. So I haven't tried anything from Dermalogica for a while, and these I think were new ones that they put on there, so that's why I thought I'd give them a go. So the full size of this is £65 for 22ml. So this is a 1ml product, which I work out is £2.96. And then the other product from Dermalogica is this Renewal Lip Complex. Again, just 1ml of product. I thought when ordering this one, in case it did end up to be a small sachet, which it is, with it only being a lip product, it didn't matter too much that there wasn't a lot of product, because it will take a lot less to cover my lips than my whole face. So I thought I would give this one a go. So I didn't realise when ordering this kind of how expensive a product it was. Like I say, this is only a 1ml sachet, but the full size of this one is only 1.75ml, and that is £25. So for this 1ml sachet, it works out at £14.71. So I'm really excited to see what this one's like. This one says it is a daily lip treatment which helps smooth and rejuvenate. Apply as needed to infuse lips with a moisturising blend of avocado oil, shea and cocoa seed butters. A polypeptide rejuvenates delicate tissue, minimises contour lines and helps prevent the sign of ageing. So it does sound like a really good product. It's got the moisturising aspects and also the anti-aging. I don't feel like as of yet I've noticed any ageing in my lips, but no doubt it's only a matter of time. So excited to see what this one's like. The final product I chose was this one from Paula's Choice. This is the Intensive Repair Cream with Retinol. I have not that long ago tried one of the Paula's Choice BHA liquids and I did really enjoy it. So when I seen I could try another product, I thought I would give it a go. Another product that is only a small sachet, this is 1.5ml, so I might get one use out of it. So I'm probably not going to notice the greatest amount of difference, but it will be nice to give it a go. This one doesn't have much information on the back at all. It just says it's to moisturise in the PM. Apply a small amount to the face and neck. For daytime, always follow with sunscreen, which will be because of the retinol. But I wouldn't be able to apply that twice in one day. I say I'll probably barely get one use out of it. So the full size of this is £32 for 50ml. So I work out that this 1.5ml sachet is worth 96p. So tossing up the total value of all 5 samples, it comes to £21.89. Obviously, the majority of that comes from this product alone, which was nearly £15. So it's not the highest value month, but these are all products that I was genuinely intrigued by or wanted to try. So I'm excited to give them a go, and obviously we'll report back next month. That is it for my pick and mix samples unboxing. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.